Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's show. So first off, apologies that the show is coming very late. Yeah, I had some things where really hold me back. Get some emergencies where I need to sort out. So then I accept my apology. All right, so let's begin with the show proper. So David Onstein, who is one of our reputable journalists who the follow works with the Athletic. So him when they look at Arsenal transfer, how he go. Him when they talk say, as it be now, with all the people in the US Arsenal won't sign and they won't sign big striker and the striker they won't sign, no, I know it will cost money. That Arsenal will have to sell before they buy. See, no two ways about it. So when you look at the reports, the way it was reported, it says surely say it did inevitable. Say David Onstein drops major Arsenal transfer updates. So when you read the entirety of this report put out by the Give Me Sports, they say, speaking during the question and answer session via the Athletic, Onstein said that it seemed inevitable that Arsenal would need to raise some funds to help with other signings. I think if Arsenal are going to commit a huge expense on the striker, and if Zubimendi is going to be want to get Zubimendi deal done, it's surely inevitable there needs to be resource raised from a sale or multiple. Now, what David Onstein? In fact, he said it wouldn't shock me to see a notable player depart. Now, maybe they sell Trossard, maybe they sell Martinelli. At the time of writing, I don't know who that might be, like who Arsenal will sell. You don't know. But in the look, say Arsenal need like them will sell somebody the way it be. And well, me, I did a bit skeptical with what he's saying because we don't look at the amount we made from Champions League so far, about 102 million. Then look at the Deloitte money rankings. So I think we have enough cash flow to work with. But Einstein like nobody did that report said. In fact, TBR said David Einstein says because Arteta could actually sell a notable player at Arsenal this summer. More look at the TBR report. Also, they say Arsenal could sell a notable player this summer. Then a new striker is absolute priority. All of us we know this one. Yes. Then look at this part when Baba the talk say Arsenal is inevitable, blah 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 blah. So now still the same report. So he say all the people won't buy, it will require a lot of money. But at the end of the day, David Onstein say this thing when they talk, na your own opinion. No be saying like major news saying they hear from Arsenal. No. So in they give in your 2 cents say there is no way we will take sign this type of all these players we will define. And they talk about even Bruno Guimaraes and Zubimendi. When they talk say for him, there is no way Arsenal go fit sign Zubimendi and Guimaraes. Now wetin David Onstein talk say he no see the possibility. He doesn't see it happening because according to David Onstein, Arsenal may not be able to buy both players. It would require a significant financial outlay. It will cost so much money. Arsenal have other positions like centre forward that they want to cover. So he said this is a personal opinion rather than sourced information. I don't see Arsenal signing both Zubimendi and Bruno Guimaraes. So what do you really think about this? Because he say for him the possibility is not really there because he don't see how Arsenal won't take runner again because Yusuf Tinker. I mean, if I don't think what they talk, but more just wait. I'm gonna see how the end of the transfer window will be. One season don't end. I think that's the only thing I can say for now. All right, let's bring the message from one of our sponsors, Adexwella Aluminium and Glass. They are dealers in all kinds of aluminium windows and doors, frameless glass, stainless rail, sunbreaker and cladding, aluminium roofing, then office partition, cashier cubicles, shower cubicles, PVC and suspended ceiling. You get. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on 081 66 123 826. And when you reach out to them on WhatsApp, 0708638972. And I will still drop for our Facebook community a video of them working. They send the video to me, so make you see how then they do their workings. So if you're interested in their services, you can reach out to me. Make I give you the number if you already get the number. Also, now away from that, so the Sun can they let us understand? Say Arsenal they keep tabs on Espanyol fullback Omar El Hilali, who is 21 years old, who is believed to have a release cost of around 12.5 million. Arsenal are also keen on signing João Garcia, who is their goalkeeper in the summer, is going to be costing upwards of 25 million pounds. Get. So I don't know how that see this deal for me. It's not a bad deal, you get. But that Wolves left back, I don't forget the name now. And not something. I don't forget the name. I would like to go sign that one. But this one, man, I don't know. I never check out. You get. So maybe later I will check for you to make and see what thing gets in stock. So, but suppose just the check, we'll try to reinforce, see how because don't forget Zinchenko could be leaving. Not true, say. Zinchenko no be say end of season 9 will be in contract. So Zinchenko the fee seller, take and raise money. So then Tien is leaving also. So like we'll just see how things go unfold at the end of the day. Today is the birthday of Nicolas Anelka, who turns 46 years old. Now, Nicolas Anelka, you see that JVC when they wear. I don't know how many of you have even witnessed Nicolas Anelka. How many of you watched Anelka play for Arsenal? Scoring for how many of you now watch this JVC? How many of you experience this JVC when see like this? When JVC they sponsor us. So we know they do this kind of jersey. It's like jersey big by Anelka body. So that one said anyway. Now the Mirror is reporting that Paul Scholes when they talk say Ruben Amorim would like to sign Martin Zubimendi based on the way Amorim take praise Martin Zubimendi after Manchester United come out to Real Sociedad for the Europa League. In fact, there were some arguments in social media say Casemiro pockets Martin Zubimendi on that day. But Ruben Amorim he really like the player. So Paul Scholes they say it will make sense. Maybe man you go take the player out of Arsenal hand because Arsenal are the club that have their grasp on this player based on the year from Fabrizio Romano, David Einstein, and many people when they talk say we already get a deal, a verbal agreements to get him. So that one said day. Now moving on. So Fabrizio Romano going to give us the statistics of Osimhen after he scored hat-trick yesterday night. So Osimhen score like he don't get 31 goal and assist contribution in 30 games as a Galatasaray player. Many people going to talk say why we no sign the guy. They say the guy lost us 26 goals and 5 assists for Galatasaray. In fact, with the rivalry between Galatasaray and Fenerbahce, and they still say Galatasaray now they about 10 points ahead of Fenerbahce, and Fenerbahce get 2 outstanding matches. So assuming Fenerbahce win their own 2 outstanding matches, they would get like maybe 4 points behind Galatasaray. If Galatasaray end up winning the league, the Turkish league, now Osimhen make the winner. Not see anybody won't tell me. Now Osimhen make the winner because Galatasaray really push. Fenerbahce really push. I can't go check Galatasaray squad, Baba. Galatasaray get Mauricio Icardi. They get Osimhen. They still get Alvaro Morata. Imagine. Before you can talk about all those Akigun, all those Turkish players where they get there. I was surprised. And let's say they still get Batshuayi. I don't know that I don't load them out, but this will pack stars. Yes, we will be Arsenal. We will say we don't want to run the best league in the world. We cannot. We know we get one of all those players we then get. Wow, this life no balance. So imagine, just imagine. So it is what it is. Now we know if they do the what if. Say, if to say we sign, we'll see me where we for day. Papa, that train you don't go. We know if they play that game. Now, when you check the Arsenal website, based on the match we won't play tomorrow against Chelsea, so Arsenal can put their facts and statistics on this Arsenal-Chelsea history. So let's go through it together. So let's say we are unbeaten in our last 6 Premier League games against Chelsea. I don't know that you're aware. Our longest run without a league defeat against them since a run of 19 between 1995 and 2005. The team is you see Arsenal versus Chelsea, Arsenal versus Man U, Arsenal versus Liverpool, Arsenal versus Manchester City, Arsenal versus again, I think Tottenham Hotspur. We get a record on these people. The last don't think we will lose, like say we lose. We get good record against them. The traditional top 6 in England, we get fantastic record. If you look at our Manchester United record, you see say last 4 times we will play, apart from this 5th one, we'll just play, we'll draw. Last 4 times we knock them, back. Look at Chelsea record now. We are unbeaten in our last 6. First leg we play 1-1, if you not remember. Now we have won 6 of our last 9 league games against Chelsea. Our previous 6 in the competition came over a 32-game period between 2004 and 2020. Since the start of the 2021-2022 season, Chelsea have only won 3 of their 19 league away games against sides starting the day above them in the table. Also, the Blues have lost just 1 of their last 8 away London derbies in the Premier League. However, that defeat was a 5-0 loss. 5-0 not the last season. Now, we lost 1-0 against West Ham in our last home league match. We've never lost back-to-back London derbies at the Emirates Stadium in the Premier League, last doing so at home in the 2005-2006 campaign versus Chelsea versus West Ham at Highbury. Now, Martin Odegaard has had a hand in 6 Premier League goals against Chelsea 2 goals and 4 assists against no side has been involved in more. So many good and positive statistics between we and Chelsea. And always remember that records are meant to be broken and records are also meant to be kept. So this time around, want the records to remain the status quo. You get, so make them come and normal. I expect Chelsea to come out and attack. So we can see what we will do against them, because if you remember that coach Enzo Maresca, don't come and say they won't close the gap between we and them. The gap is 6 points. It's not that big. So this is a must-win match. This match will get very big importance. So in our top 4 race, if they beat us, top 4 is on the wide open. Because if they beat us today, now Man City go play Brighton and never know what them go play. But I expect Brighton to collect points for their hand, because Brighton said they do good in their own way. So most of it will happen for there. Now, away from all this brouhaha. So another thing we look now, Paul Merson and Chris Sutton, the one they predict what will happen between Arsenal and Chelsea. Paul Merson, we know that one. He say Arsenal will beat Chelsea. Say, see how Chelsea want to do it. Now, Chris Sutton, that one call they talk, say, as in day now, in the tell BBC Sports, say there won't be many goals in this game. 1 goal might be enough to win it. And I am going to go with Chelsea, with Arsenal to get it. Declan Rice was very lively in his new attacking role against Manchester United, and I can see him scoring again here. Chelsea are flattered to deceive. In recent weeks, they have won just 1. They have won their past 2 league games, but they were against Southampton and Leicester. So this is much bigger test. In the toss, we will beat them 1-0. So that one safety. All right, let me bring you a message from our second sponsor, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 806464 2234. They're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. So my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the day. That be the fact that David Ornstein, they don't say Arsenal will have to sell players before they can buy. Arsenal will have to sell notable players. Say no good surprise if we need to sell notable players. When I say notable players, they mean people like Trossard, Martinelli, Zinchenko, Jacob Kivior. Now this kind of players we need to sell to raise money and see what we can do. Now for the match we want to play against Chelsea, the officiating referee is going to be referee Chris Kavanagh. So now good day in charge. So my dear Arsenal lovers, Milano Vex once again say the show come late. So I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. Like come your way in the evening to give the evening news to them. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right, guys. Bye bye.